Kamusta mga ka-Wilro Realty? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Mall of Asia, Pasay. Meron tayong binibentang property ngayon. 1 bedroom unit at C Residences, Mall of Asia. Ayan. 1 bedroom siya with 1 toilet and bath. Sitahin muna natin si ating view ng unit. So, anong makikita natin? Ito po ang balcony area nyo. At least, meron ka pang space. Itong balcony, may space ka pa para makapaglagay ka ng coffee table and chair. Yan po yung amenity view natin. Swimming pool view. May kids play area. Dito na. Ang laki po ng swimming pool. Aircon is newly replaced. Here po. The aircon is newly replaced po. Bed is newly replaced then. Cabinet is newly replaced then. Dining table and chairs, brand new. TV is brand new also. Sofa and some side table, brand new po yan. This is a sofa bed. Pag may mga friends kayo na gustong mag-sleep over, kaya pa. Then this is the kitchen area. Refrigerator and kitchen. Dito naman tayo sa toilet niya. Meron siyang washing machine and may cabinet na nilagay si owner. And itong cabinet din na to is brand new. So, brand new yan. Shower natin. Shower accessories, brand new po yan. And yung water heater. So, lilipat na lang po tayo. Very low price na po ito. Below market value na po ito. Rush sale or for rent. Also for rent. Available for rent. Ayan po. Ayan po mga ka-Wilro Realty. Just comment lang or PM me sa page. If you have some question or viewing, let me know. We can schedule your actual viewing sa mga properties natin. Kung ano yung mga properties na nagugustuhan nyo.